I love taking pictures. Over the past 10 years of creating content, taking photos has been something that I enjoy doing, and it's a very big passion of mine. And from a recent trip of mine, I had a few photos that I wanted to edit. That gave me the idea for today's video. What if I edit my photos myself and also hire 3 photo editors who are pros on Fiverr just to compare how the results would be? Will the photos that I edit be good or perhaps better, or will the Fiverr pros really take it to the next level? Well, that is something that we will see as this video progresses, and of course, feel free to vote in the comment section below. But yeah, this was just an idea that came to me and I thought this would be a really cool video idea. Yo, what's up guys? Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Super excited to do this and get started. So be sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and let's get on the computer and look at these pictures, shall we? Okay, first off guys, here are the raw photos that I will be editing myself, and these are straight out of the camera. I think they are decent photos and I know that they will look even more amazing with the right editing. Okay, now time to find Fiverr's freelancers. Now, most of you guys already know Fiverr is an amazing place to find great talented artists and freelancers that can help you do any kind of service, whether that is photo editing, video editing, or help with a lot of other categories that are there on Fiverr's website. This really is the place to be if you want to get freelancing services done. Now, we are looking for photo editors, preferably cinematic photo editing. So we will search that and look for people across 3 different levels. Alright, so we have found 3 people that we have selected, and we are sending them the same message and the same raw photos to make sure that all of them have the same fixed assets that they can start working with. Let me just quickly show you what are the artists that we have selected. At level 1, we have Rahul and we are buying their basic package. At level 2, we have Mukesh and we are buying their standard package. Finally, we have Fiverr's choice artist Peter, and we got a custom offer for him, which was in the basic package as well. Orders have been placed. It's now time for me to wait for the edited photos and also edit my own photos in Lightroom and share all the results with you guys.
One eternity later.
Okay, it's been almost 2 days and we have finally received all the results from the photo editors. So let's head over to the computer, look at the photos and talk about them. Alright guys, so let's take a look at all the edited photos. We'll compare them to the raw photos, and whichever ones you like the best, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so here we have Rahul at level 1, and these are the edited photos that he sent. And honestly, in my opinion, they look really good. They are very moody and very cinematic, and it looks like he tried to make them look as dramatic as possible, which is something that I am a big fan of, to make them look like movie posters and stuff like that. So definitely, all the photos look really good, and the edit for this price point, I think, is pretty satisfactory. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. At level 2, guys, we have Mukesh, and these are the results that he sent. Now, clearly, there is a very big stark contrast between level 1 and level 2. All the photos at level 2 have a lot of warmth and a lot of saturation to them, which I really like. I think this looks more natural and, very vibrant as well as punchy, ready for social media usage. And yeah, in some places, in my opinion, the greens are a little too saturated, but he also paid attention to this photo and removed all the distracting elements that were there, like the people and the flying birds, which was out of focus. So that is also very good to see. That was included in the normal photo editing package as well. And yeah, overall, I really like these photos too. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Okay, finally guys, at Fiverr's choice, we have Peter, and these are Peter's photos, and he has done also a very good job. The photos are a mix between the cinematic moody style and the social media colorful style. So some photos have more warmth while others look more muted and desaturated. Overall, I like it. Again, of course, I would have hoped that in this particular photo, the birds and this person would have been removed to make it more cleaner. My favorite edit is this dog one. It looks really good and really nice. Finally, guys, I have to share my own editing results with you guys, so you guys can let me know what you guys think. So these are my edits. I tried to make them cinematic, moody, but also keep the photos looking as natural as possible. In my variant of this photo, I obviously removed removed all distractions and removed all the birds to make it look as clean. I also kept things fairly saturated, and again, in this dog one as well and in the car one, I tried to add as much detail and colors to the shadows as much as possible. So yeah, you guys have all the results now. Now you can tell me in the comment section which one you think is the best. Okay guys, so what do we think? Which freelancer did the best photo editing? Let me know your options in the comments below, and also let me know what do you guys think of my edits and how they compare to the services that we got here on Fiverr. If you personally ask me, I genuinely believe that photo editing is something very personal and subjective to the person, and so something that I like a lot might not be something that you like, and vice versa. And as far as the submissions in this video are concerned, I think all of the edits are very good in their own ways. Of course, a huge shout out to the guys over at Fiverr for not only having a huge arsenal of artists like the ones we selected in the video that can do such great work and give us so many options to choose from, but also simply for the sheer quality of the work that one can get done here. It goes without saying, guys, if you guys want to work with the same freelancers that I did, or you want to check out any other service on Fiverr, feel free to check out the links in the description below. And also don't forget to use my code Anubhav10 for a flat 10% off on your first order. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Anubhav signing out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, be sure to hit on that like button, hit on that subscribe button, and mark all notifications, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and peace out, guys. Bye-bye.